Hey guys, if you didn't know me, I'm Isabella Gomez. And in 5 seconds, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, comment down below as a black squad. So let's get on to the video. I'll be doing a squishy reveal. And so the squishies are from Justice and Claire's. And this nice basket, I got it today too, with all my squishies. It's from Target. So let's start with the basket. So the basket is white with polka dots, and it's a pillow fort storage bin. And this is where all my squishies are gonna be. And it's really nice. It's gonna match with my new room. Okay, start with I keep making some. Let's start with Puckacorn. His name is Puckacorn, and he has purple wings and a blue horn, some brown ears, and he's a slow rise. And he has his heart paws, and it's really cute. And his eyes are so adorable. Okay, so that's his first. Okay. The next one it's a unicorn, and this one is not that good because it's broken, and whenever I switch it breaks even more, so it's a really bad one. And I still love it. Her name is Sleepy, because she looks like she's sleeping. And her wing broke, and she has a yellow horn, and her hair, that's her hair, I think. And it's pink. Okay, next up should be this one is a pencil holder. Like you put your pencil down there in that hole. And their names are Quadruple. They're all boys. Wish I had a pencil to actually show you. Oh look, Mr. Bear has a pencil. Thank you, Mr. Bear. Love you. But I wish I could write something. Oh, he also has a squishy notebook. This squishy's falling off. It did fall off, so. This is also from Justice. This one's from Claire's, and these are from Justice. And so, this one's a squishy. It fell off already, so. I'll write subscribe. And it's not like a pencil, you can't use it because it doesn't go all the way to the bottom and leave this pencil pot you can also sharpen, and you can put it higher if you want. And then you squish it when you have stress in a test. Okay, so that's the next one. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Bear. Love your quality work. Ooh, this is my favorite. This one I love. It's not my favorite. This one's my favorite. This one I love because I love the consistency. It's a unicorn. Her name is Pink Delicious. She has this pink tail with a little bit of purple, and she has this pink and white wings and this gold horn. And she squishes really, really well. And it's also slow rise. This one's a little bit faster than the other one, but it's fine. She has purple hooves, and she has the same name, and she has black eyes. Thought it would be pink, because it's a unicorn. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, my next one. Ooh, his name is Sunday, because it looks like he should be in the sun. He has neon glasses, I don't know, sunglasses, and he's blue. I should have named him Blue. No, I like Sunday better. And he's also slow rise. Really slow rise. Takes really long. Okay, I'm done. That one goes too slow. And the last but not least is this Llamacorn, and her name is Llamacorn. And she has blue wings. She has yellow hooves. And I love the part that the texture looks like a sheep or a llama or something. And she has pink and blue, like, color dye. I don't know. Oh, it's fur. And she has a little tiny tail. There. Okay. And she has a gold horn. One side of her ear is pink and the other is blue. I really like that. And I love all these squishies. All of them. They're my favorite. My favorite is that one. Second, third, no. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. No, oh my god. No, I can't think. So, bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. And thank you, Mr. Bear, for having the pencil and the squishy notebook. Bye!